Welcome back, riders. Today, we're diving into the beastly Kawasaki KX 450 Senior, a machine built for those who live and breathe motocross. Whether you're aiming for the podium or just looking to dominate the track, this bike is all about delivering high performance with precision engineering. Let's break it down. First up, let's talk about the essentials. The Kawasaki KX 450 Senior is the special race edition of the already impressive KX 450. It's powered by a 449 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, four-stroke engine, with upgrades that include a factory-tuned ECU, high-performance exhaust, and more. This bike is designed for riders who want to push their limits with a machine that's ready to compete at a professional level. The exterior of the KX 450 Senior is all about aggressive styling with a purpose. The bike's factory graphics give it a bold look, while the bodywork is designed to be as slim as possible, allowing for maximum rider movement. The Renthal Fatbur handlebars, green anodized accents, and gold chain give the bike a premium feel. And let's not forget the Showa suspension, fully adjustable to ensure that you're in control, no matter how rough the terrain gets. Under the hood, or rather, under the seat, the KX 450 Senior is packing some serious heat. The engine's performance is enhanced with a factory-tuned ECU that optimizes power delivery for racing conditions. The Pro Circuit T6 exhaust system not only sounds mean, but also adds to the overall power output. This is a bike that's engineered from the inside out to deliver peak performance on the track. When it comes to performance, the KX 450 Senior doesn't disappoint. The engine is incredibly responsive, with a smooth power band that pulls hard from low to high RPMs. The upgraded Showa suspension provides excellent stability and absorbs big impacts with ease. The bike's lightweight chassis allows for nimble handling, making it easier to carve through corners and maintain speed. Whether you're launching off a jump or powering through a berm, the KX 450 Senior is built to handle it all with finesse. Under the hood, or rather, under the seat, the KX 450 Senior is packing some serious heat. The engine's performance is enhanced with a factory-tuned ECU that optimizes power delivery for racing conditions. The Pro Circuit T6 exhaust system not only sounds mean, but also adds to the overall power output. This is a bike that's engineered from the inside out to deliver peak performance on the track. In conclusion, the Kawasaki KX 450 Senior is more than just a dirt bike. It's a racing machine ready to dominate. With its factory-tuned enhancements, top-of-the-line components, and sleek design, it's built for those who are serious about motocross. If you're looking for a bike that combines raw power with precise handling, the KX 450 Senior is definitely worth a look. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this.